Hello children, today I am going to teach you about vowel sounds. Yeah, see, there are 26 alphabets. Yes, as you all know, there are 26 alphabets. Now in that alphabet, 44 sounds are there. How many are there? See here, I have mentioned it, 44 sounds are there. Okay, there are 44 sounds. Now from that, 20 are vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds are there. 20 are vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Now again vowel sounds are divided into two parts. Okay, vowel sounds are divided into two parts. Monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs and diphthongs. Now see here. There are 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Now what is the meaning of monophthongs, children? It means pure vowel sounds. Okay, that means pure vowels sounds. Understood? And what is the meaning of mono? Mono means single. Okay, so in this there is only one sounds are there. Okay, and what is the meaning of diphthong, children? D. D-I. D means two. In this there are two vowel sounds. Okay, in diphthongs there are two vowel sounds. So again I'll tell you vowels sounds. Okay, in English we have 26 alphabets. And how many sounds are there? 44 sounds are there. कितने sounds है? 44 sounds है. और वो sounds दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किए गए. How many parts? Two parts. Vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Vowel कितने हैं? 20. 20 vowel sounds are there. And 24 consonant sounds are there. Again, vowel sounds are divided into two parts. Monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs and diphthongs. Okay? What is the meaning of mono? Pure vowel. Mono means single. Okay? And monophthongs means what, children? Pure vowel sounds it is. Okay? And how many are there? 12 are there. What is diphthongs? Di. Di means two. This is a combination of two vowel sound. This is a combination of two vowel sounds. And how many diphthongs are there? 8 are there. In next video, I'll come with the examples of monophthongs and diphthongs. Okay, till that time, bye children.